bale grouping and loadout comparisons. This short video presentation has been made for the purpose of comparing the different options of moving large, round bales from a field. The comparisons are measured in bales per man-hour hauled off the field. The time taken and the speed given on the drawings are considered to be average. In good conditions, the rates will be better, as in poor conditions, the rates will be worse. The field drawn is a quarter-section field, 2,640 feet by 2,640 feet. The field has been cut by an 18-foot hay-bine with 2 headlands at each end and with 151 passes to complete the field. The field has produced 1.5 tons of hay per acre, making 320 bales weighing 1,500 pounds each. The drawing shows the bales set 1,245 feet apart from each other throughout the field. The field drawings have been divided up into sections to better show the gathering method. The comparison shown between each drawing is measured by the on-field time. The on-field time is the total time taken to group the bales, load them out on trailers, and get them right off the field. Each drawing is also measured by bales per man-hour. Bales per man-hour are the number of bales off the field in 1 man-hour. In field drawing number 1, the field has been divided into 10 sections of 30 bales each and 1 section of 20 bales, making for a total of 11 bale groups. The drawing shows the bales grouped in trailer load sizes of 30 bales, which will nicely fit onto a 53-foot trailer. A field with bales grouped in this configuration is arranged to the best advantage for the bale cart, in that the bale cart does the least amount of traveling. Only 2,450 feet on average is the distance traveled between bale cart loads. The loadout time in this drawing includes the walking time in the event that one person is both loading and hauling the bales from the field. There will be approximately 20 minutes in total of walking time between the tractor and the bale groups to load out all the bales from this field. The total time taken to get the bales grouped and off this field is 6 1/4 man-hours. At 320 bales, that makes it just over 51 bales per man-hour. In field drawing number 2, the field has been divided into sections the same as field drawing number 1, with 11 bale groups, 10 groups of 30 bales, and 1 group of 20. This layout of bale groups shows the best configuration for one person doing both the loading and the hauling of the bales. With the bale groups equally spaced up the center of the field, the groups are a shorter distance for the cart and a short walk between the bale groups to retrieve the tractor. For this person, there will be approximately 5 minutes in total of walking time between the tractor and the various bale groups to complete the entire field. The total on-field time for drawing number 2 is only 6 hours to remove all 320 bales from the field. That's 53 bales per man-hour. This, as you will see, is the fastest time of any bale grouping configuration we studied. In field drawing number 3, the field is divided into sections of 10 bales, the equal of 1 bale cart load. The bale groups are located equally spaced up the center of the field like in field drawing number 2, again to the best advantage for one person doing the loading and the hauling. The difference between field drawing number 2 and field drawing number 3 is the route taken to load the bale cart. The total on-field time is 6 1/4 hours to remove all 320 bales from the field. That's 51 bales per man-hour, the same as field drawing number 1. Field drawing number 4 shows the bales grouped at one drop location in the corner of the field. There can be advantages to keeping the semis off the field, however it will take more time. Also, when grouping the bales in one location, it makes center loading of the trailers more difficult, which will also add to the loading time. The total on-field time is 8 hours to remove all 320 bales from the field. That's 40 bales per man-hour. Field drawing number 5 shows the bales grouped at one central drop location near the center of the field. The advantage is less traveling with the bale cart and just one pickup location. The total on-field time is 7 hours to remove all 320 bales from the field. That's 45.7 bales per man-hour. Field drawing number 6 shows the bales being picked by a tractor with a front-end loader. The tractor and loader are following a semi-trailer and loading it with bales one at a time. The total on-field time is 8 1/4 hours to remove all 320 bales from the field. That's 38.8 bales per man-hour if you don't count the man-hours wasted while the tractor loader operator waits for the trailer to return. Even if the operator gathers while the trailer is gone, the overall bales per man-hour will be far less. The only way to get 38.8 bales per man-hour is to have enough semi-trailers hauling that the tractor loader operator never stops. In summary, the most efficient grouping method was field number 2, with the bales grouped equally spaced up the center of the field at 53.3 bales per man-hour. The worst method of getting the bales off the field was field number 6, with the tractor loader and trailer method at 38.8 bales per man-hour. The greatest bale cart advantage over the tractor loader following the trailer is that the bale cart is faster and will allow one person to efficiently move a larger number of bales in a shorter period of time. Other bale cart advantages are the tractor, loader, and trailer method can be quite punishing on the front end of the tractor and on the loaders themselves. Also, the bale cart can get into and out of places that semis cannot go. Thank you for the time that you have taken to watch this video presentation. For the printed version, click on the Bale Grouping and Loadout Comparisons PDF.